Imagine an Earth bigger, stronger, heavier, a world similar to ours but supercharged. Scientists call these planets super-Earths, rocky worlds larger than Earth with stronger gravity, thicker atmospheres, and extreme conditions that could completely reshape human life. But what if this was our home? What if we lived on a super-Earth? Today on Cosmic Frontier, we explore how life, technology, society, and even our bodies would change if our world was 2, 3, or even 10 times larger than it is today. Let's begin. 1. What is a super-Earth? A super-Earth is a planet, bigger than Earth, smaller than ice giants like Neptune, rocky, and potentially habitable. These worlds are some of the most common planets in the galaxy. Many could have deeper oceans, stronger magnetic fields, thicker atmospheres, more powerful weather, intense volcanic activity. If Earth were a super-Earth, it would be familiar, but far more extreme. 2. Gravity would be much stronger. The first thing you'd notice, gravity hits harder. If Earth had twice its mass, gravity would be almost twice as strong. This means walking feels like wading through water. Running is nearly impossible. Jumping becomes pointless. Your body feels constantly heavy. Lifting objects becomes a struggle. A person weighing 80 kilograms would feel like they weigh 150 kilograms or more. Life would move slower. Everything requires more effort. 3. Humans would evolve differently over generations. Our bodies would adapt. People would become shorter, thicker-boned, incredibly strong, with compact, powerful muscles. Tall, thin bodies wouldn't survive. Evolution would shape us into low-gravity powerhouses, short, dense, and built for pressure. Even our hearts would grow stronger to pump blood against the force of gravity. 4. Buildings, roads, and cities would look completely different. On a super-Earth, skyscrapers would collapse under their own weight. Bridges would have to be incredibly thick. Cars would require far more power. Aircraft would struggle to take off. Rockets would be almost impossible to launch. Human civilization would be forced to build low, wide structures, reinforced to withstand the crushing gravity. Cities would spread outward, not upward. 5. Weather would be extreme stronger. Gravity equals a denser atmosphere. This creates more powerful storms, thicker clouds, extremely intense winds, heavier rainfall, more dramatic climate zones. A thicker atmosphere traps heat, so the planet could feel warmer and more humid. Sunsets would be deep red and orange, filtered through layers of dense air. 6. Oceans would be deep and violent. A super-Earth could have oceans tens of kilometers deep. Stronger gravity pulls water downward, creating towering waves crushing underwater pressure. Strange, alien marine life, deep trenches and underwater volcanoes. Most ocean creatures would be squat, muscular, and adapted to immense pressure. The seas would be far more mysterious than our own. 7. Space travel would be nearly impossible. Launching a rocket from Earth requires enormous energy. On a super-Earth, you'd need 10 times more thrust. This means no satellites, no space stations, no moon missions, no human spaceflight at all. Civilization would be locked to its planet. The stars would always be out of reach. Humanity would be trapped on its world, unable to explore the cosmos. 8. But life might be more stable. A bigger planet comes with benefits. Stronger magnetic field, better protection from radiation, thicker atmosphere, fewer asteroid impacts, more stable climate. In many ways, a super-Earth might be more habitable than our own world. Life could be safer, just heavier. A bigger, heavier, stranger Earth. If we lived on a super-Earth, our world would be stronger. Our bodies would be stronger. and life would be both beautiful and brutal. The universe is filled with these powerful worlds, each with its own challenges, mysteries, and stories waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching Cosmic Frontier. Subscribe for more incredible journeys through our universe.